All right, here's my homemade irrigation system for our little garden, our raised garden beds. I'm just using PEX right now because it's super cheap. It's like $28 Canadian for 100 feet. So this project took about 40, less than 50 feet, so $14 worth of PEX. I know that PEX does not do well into UV light, so this is just basically a trial run, see if it works. And as you can see, it's working. Try to zoom in here on the little holes, dual little holes, 1/16 holes. I just kind of randomly placed it everywhere. You see the water coming out, getting good coverage of the beds, and if I find somewhere that we need coverage for, I just drill another hole. It's no big deal. It's the other bed. Super simple, pretty cheap. So let's go to the nuts and bolts. So you can see the T's here for each line that comes out down the garden box. Elbow at the end over there. And over here, I just put in a ball valve, and then to an adapter that just goes into a garden hose. So the idea behind this is using this quick connect. Eventually, you take the garden hose out, and right around the corner, you'll see is the rain barrel. And the idea is I need to raise the rain barrel up 2-3 feet so I can get enough pressure to power that, and that would be phase 2. But I made it so that we can hook a regular garden hose, hook it into the rain barrel, or maybe even hook it into our lawn irrigation system one day. But for now, I'd say that's a success. That's it. Thanks for watching.